Hello, this is my presentation for my homework for Module 11. So starting out with Program 1, we had to create a constructor for vehicles. So here you can see that here's the constructor, and then here are all of my different variables, different cars. Then when we run this, here you can see that the third car is a 2003 Toyota Camry, just by taking those attributes from this program. For program number 2, we had to do a very similar thing except using a method. So here you can see the format slightly different, still using JavaScript. Then we call those different methods out, and then when we run this in the browser, it's going to say Clark is from Atlanta, so you can see that we're taking Clark and Atlanta and just mashing them up in a sentence. For program 3, what we had to do is just add on to program 1 and add on prototypes. So I have 3 different prototypes, different miles on the car, the type, and the miles per gallon. So using Toyota Camry variable, I just added the same sentence as before, except also including the miles per gallon of the vehicle. All right, and then for the final one, I believe, there it is. There was several different things that we had to do. So we had to identify and call out the URL of the browser, then create a button that on click creates an alert box with a current event, then a go back and forward button, and then a redirect button to a different page, then to show the page path, and to identify if we're using cookies or not on the site. So if we go to the program, we also timed the current event to take 9 seconds after pressing the button, so I'm going to press it now just so it has time to load. Then the full URL is displayed at the top. Then we have a go back and go forward button that I'll show soon. So here I just chose a current event with politics, and then I actually linked an article about the same event about Pete, new candidate. Then you can see that we can actually go forward using that button, etc., etc. And here's the page path, and then are cookies enabled or not, and it says true, which is true because we're using JavaScript. All right, so that concludes my presentation for the Module 11 assignment. Thank you.